This is the Hallicrafters HA-8 Splatter Guard. It is an instrument used to determine flat topping in a single sideband amplifier or 100% modulation on AM. That bright line there represents 100% modulation. See if I can get that line to show up there. When you see that line, that means you're going to calibrate that level on the RF detector probe, the voltage level, and you adjust this so that these lines just meet when you have 100% modulation in your AM transmitter or flat topping in the single sideband amp. It has an instant response, so it's like an oscilloscope, but a one-dimensional oscilloscope. It's working great. It's symmetrical, it's perfect looking.